Hey there, Munchie Mafia. So today we are going to be learning how to brunoise an onion. Alright, so we're getting ready to do some prep work for our premiere for tomorrow. We're going to be making a smoked seafood chowder. First off, what we're going to do is we're going to peel this onion and we're going to get it all nice and brunoise along with the rest of our mirepoix, which is onions, celery, and carrot. And we'll break it all down into different little videos so that you don't get too bored. Alright, garbage bowl. This is the butt of the onion right here. And that's the top. And we're just going to put a cut right in the middle of it. Right down the center so it's top to bottom. And now, with the butt part facing outward, we're going to remember to curl our fingers in, and we're going to cut down through the onion toward the base of it. Now, depending on the size of the onion that you want to dice, you can make those thicker or thinner or somewhere in between. And so we're going to take our knife and we're going to just go right through, and then we're going to just go straight down. Now some of them might not be absolutely perfect. It takes practice. And of course, onions that don't make your eyes water. Oh my goodness gracious. Okay. So sometimes toward the end of it, you have to go in and just give it a little bit of a rough chop. Now you end up with this one piece. What do you do with that? Do you just throw it out? Well, yeah, you could throw it out. Usually, when you're working in a restaurant, you don't want to waste time with that. So you just go on and just do that, just like so. Get rid of that. Wow, these things are strong. All right, so scoot that on over. Whoa! Oh my goodness. Hold on a minute. Oh. Whew. Alright, so curl your fingers under to make a claw, and you just keep going and going and going and going. When you curl your fingers under, you don't run the risk of potentially cutting your finger off. Wow, gosh dang it. These are like freaking strong onions. And one of the ways that you can avoid that is you can put your onion in the refrigerator, or you can, if you have a gas stove, you can turn on one of the burners on low and go cut near that, or put a dish of water next to you, which I forgot to do. Wow. And did you know, fun fact about onions is that the reason why semi-trucks use wooden doors to transport onions is because these things can spontaneously combust. And now we have our onion. There we go. Alright. Don't forget, tomorrow, premiere. Smoke seafood chowder. Alright, Munchie Mafia, now that I'm dying, I'll see ya later. So don't forget, cook with love, eat with passion.